Hey everybody, welcome back to Poznic Training. Today we are going to teach you another amazing sliding push-up variation in 90 seconds or less. Today's variation is the XT. The XT push-up is an amazing bodyweight exercise for the chest and the triceps, but it also adds a killer challenge through the entire core and shoulder girdle. This one is a sliding push-up, so put on your socks and let's start that timer. You'll start the XT push-up by sliding yourself back as you lower your body down toward the ground, trying to get your forehead right between your thumbs. Then, as you push yourself back up, you'll slide as far forward as you can and lower yourself into a push-up in the front, this time with your belly right between your thumbs. If you'd like to make this one a bit easier, then instead of pushing yourself forward and back during the push-up, you can isolate the push-up and the sliding motion, meaning you'll slide yourself forward, perform a push-up in the front position, then slide yourself back as far as you can go, perform another push-up there, and then repeat. If, on the other hand, you'd like to take this one to the next level, go ahead and lift one leg, keep it nice and straight, and perform your XTs on just one leg, being sure to keep your torso parallel to the ground the entire time. All right, that was the XT push-up in less than 90 seconds. I'm David Poznic with Poznic Training. Thanks for tuning in.